Hello, I'm Moose Epperson. Some of you may know me from my work on Dr. Sanguinary's Creature Feature. Some of you may know me from the damn fine looking fake bats. One special person out there knows me as the ruggedly handsome stranger who carried them out of a burning barn that hot August night so many years ago. But I come to you tonight as the former candidate for the President of the United States of America in 2016. I come to you as the man you wanted to see seated in the most powerful office in the world. I come to you to speak of a great danger facing our grand republic. During the 2016 campaign, I was forced to constantly deal with the meddling of a minor second, third, fourth, fifth, I don't know, another party candidate, one chicken boy. Well, his crooked minions have now created a film called Flip the Bird, a steaming pile of cinematic dung that pretends to tell the true story of the 2016 campaign. This is nothing but a web of lies and more lies. And I have to ask, no, I have to implore you not to attend the absolutely free premiere of this film on Sunday, January 14th, 2018 at the Down Under Lounge located at 3530 Leavenworth Street in Omaha, Nebraska, starting at 5 p.m. on the dot. Under no circumstances, absolutely no circumstances, should you arrive a little bit early to get good seats and maybe grab a drink and relax a little before the show starts. You must guard against allowing yourself to take advantage of the great drink prices and comfortable, casual atmosphere of the Down Under Lounge, located at 3530 Leavenworth Street in Omaha, Nebraska. You must be ever vigilant against the low temptation of a quite clever and refreshingly witty independent film, cohesively presented and excellently paced. No matter what, do not be caught dead laughing your ass off for 2 hours. Make sure to miss this once-in-a-lifetime, historic, free film premiere. Again, just so you don't accidentally stumble into the place. I don't know, like maybe you're trying to figure out where all this laughter is coming from. But to avoid that, remember, don't be anywhere near the Flip the Bird movie premiere, Sunday, January 14th, 2018, at the Down Under Lounge, located at 3530 Leavenworth Street in Omaha, Nebraska, starting at 5 p.m. So, thank you, and ride the moose.